Let me explain the rules
What rules?
of this race. We have to fly over specific places. On the ground, race marshals note what time each plane goes over. And all the competitors work their own itineraries depending on the performance of their plane. Here comes the first control point. Do you recognize the chateau? Here's our second checkpoint.
Chambord.
Exactly. And we're dead on time.
Where are the race marshals?
Oh, on the roof. But we aren't likely to see them at the speed we're traveling. After Normandy, we'll head to Burgundy and land at Mons, a small airfield I found with Jennifer.
Are we filling up?
Yes. Look, there's the Angel Saint-Michel, the patron saint of parachutists.
Why are we talking about parachutes?
I'm not talking about parachutes. I'm talking about the Angel Saint-Michel. And I'm not joking. He really is the patron saint of parachutists. Beautiful, isn't it?
Which one is it?
Côte de Nuit.
Can we land here then?
We'll finish the race first and think about great wines later. You done?
2 seconds, not quite. Okay, ready.
Right. We're going up.
Let me be by myself in the evening breeze. Listen to the murmur of the cottonwood trees. Send me off forever, but I ask you please, don't fence me in, just turn me loose. Let me straddle my old saddle underneath the western skies. On my cayuse, let me wander over yonder